In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper way to install your belt with an auto style tensioner. Now I have the belt routed on the lower pulleys. It's pretty much a matter of just slipping it down onto their proper components. Once you have the belt on all the pulleys except the top one, you can go ahead and rotate the auto tensioner to give you some slack in the belt. Let's take it as far as you can go. Once you have enough slack, you can go ahead and grab your belt, slip it around the top pulley, just like so. Before you release the tension, take a look at all of your pulleys and make sure the belt is seated just like this. There are no ribs exposed. The pulley is centered on the belt is centered on the pulley. It's not overhanging, and then you can release the tension on your auto tensioner. That's the proper way to install your belt with an auto tensioner. Just slip my wrench out of the way here. There you go.